right, draw right. There we go, very good. Very good. All right, now good, paddle. Check those rocks out. It's a wavy morning, or wavy afternoon, I guess. Draw left. Now we need to turn the boat and aim the boat right to that point. Yeah. Wavy morning. Touch of white caps. Very choppy water. Coming up on a portage.
Semi-sweet bread. I don't know about that.
Oh, there it is. I think we're gonna go around that branch, Kwame, are we not? Oh no, we're landing here. Oh, yes we are. You got it? Stay right, yep, right there. You got it.
Ha-ha! Okay, GoPro, stop. How you like your wood?
Yes, there's some frustration over carrying loads, but this is a portage we've done in less than an hour. This is the last of the gear. It's a 200-meter portage from Esma Lake to Swamp Lake. And let me tell you, you can't tell by my boot right now, but it was swampy. I took a nice bath and yes, it smelled like sewage. And no, it wasn't fun.
Day 4, Swamp Lake.
Yes, this is Swamp Lake. Look at all these lily pads, these lily flowers. Oh, they're beautiful, but boy, does this lake smell. The conditions on this portage from Swamp Lake to Lily Pad Lake. No, this is Swamp Lake to Upper Mace Lake. This portage is about 265 meters. Very poor shape. We did find it, but it was not easy. It's clear with all these trees and bushes and other plants that have grown over the trail that it's not well used. Hey, how we doing?
We're doing well. We are all wet, but we're warm. And we're about to launch onto Upper Mace Lake, which is supposed to be knock dead gorgeous. And we're going to camp on an island. And tonight, we're going to build a fire.
Kenny, what do we think about that portage between Lily Pad Lake and Swamp Lake and this lake?
I thought it was obscure. I think we were probably the first people to use it this year. So we had to find it first. And it was rough, especially in the rain.
It's thundering. It's lightning. That's not a word. But Mama, I love you. Don't give my stuff to Clay. And yeah, they might find us in about 30 years or so.
First day, or the first night that we've had clear skies, puffy clouds, beautiful red light, no wind, no rain after the torrential downpour we had before getting to Upper Mace Lake. Even the moon is out. Day tripping on Upper Mace. We're headed off to Secret Bay off Upper Mace Lake.
It's too sharp. Come on, crazy with this.
You don't just skip it.
Good boy. How did you go?
Upper Mace Lake, day 5. It poured rain this morning. Look at all those storm clouds. But it stopped, so we're good. Yes, if we can, let's start loading. If we know where, well, we're gonna put my bag in. We have to get the other food bag. That goes in the bottom first, and then yours goes on top, right? So we'll get mine in, we'll have yours next to it, and we'll get the other green food bag. Day 5, Lake 5. We're on Lake 5 today. Only for a hot second. Going to a portage right across this lake. Look over there, you can see a shack. We have no idea if it's occupied or not. Lily Pad Lake. All right, but hold on. My foot is stuck. Right over here?
Yeah, good. Pull it forward. Right there. Once it hits you. Oh, my feet!
Oh no, they're wet!
Oh! And down. No! No!
Yes!
It's like a 3 point. All right.
Lower Mace Lake, day 6. I think the one that's farther back. All right, well, that's fine as long as it's taken care of. Because we can clear some of this easily. That's fine. If it's a liftover, that's kind. Claim Lake. One more lake to go. We have Claim Lake. We'll stay here for the night and do our 1,400 meter portage to Dunlop Lake tomorrow. $1,400 meters.
Definitely more than that.
The kids think it's more than that. I know that it's not. It's the last portage of the day. We've already dropped off one thing of gear, and now we're going back for the boats. Here we are, day 7, Dunlop Lake. Back where we started. We were on this lake a full week ago. We've got a couple kilometers of paddling and we're done. to the left of us, there's a little white dot on the shoreline, and that was our first campsite a week ago. That's where the trail to 10 Mile Lake was, and that's where our campsite was, meaning we are now officially retracing our steps back to the car. Now, get ready to use your paddle as a stick. Okay, very good. Now hold on, you cannot get out yet. Let's get the boat closer to the dock. I got it, hold on. We're onto the dock. All right. I do. We here.